You're welcome back to News Insights, and we'll be looking at the autonomy of local governments following the Supreme Court judgment of July 11th, 2024. It appears this autonomy keeps coming up from one table to the other. Asiwaju just spoke recently about it, and my friends and I are going to be talking about it right away. Honorable Eli, do you think it was reasonable for Tinubu to be speaking about this when the Supreme Court has given a judgment that is very clear? He was the one that took the case to the court, and the judgment was rendered. Do you think he needs to be speaking to the governors in a persuasive manner about it or whatever? And do you think that whatever he said or not say could lead to misunderstanding?
Well, I think if the judgment was taken and acted upon by the governors, I don't think Tinubu would have wasted much time on it. Okay. So we equally have governors who think it's against them.
That
somehow
they
want to hold on.
Hold on, that Tinubu is against them or the judgment is against them?
Yeah, the judgment, because they've enjoyed.
Why is it against them? Judgment is forever. Supreme Court
Fine.
judgment is forever.
So,
they're only governor for a while.
Good. So the president put more light into it because I think he feels the way they are drawing their leg about it, not trying to make it, functional the way it should be. The local government autonomy is for the development of the country. That is grassroots.
That's right.
Development. And if the governors are drawing leg and the president, he has the power. He has, I think,
has the duty.
He has the duty to put them into the right track for the development of the country. Because if the government will have to achieve her own developmental.
Okay, now before you go further, do you think? Look at the statement. Let me read directly to you.
Yeah.
This was Asiwaju's statement. There were gossips that we had disagreements on local government autonomy. He was referring to the governor. He said, no. Just drive development at the local government. Nobody wants to take them away from you. Nobody wants to take them away from you. Nobody wants to take them away from you.
Before that, nobody wants to take them away from you. He said, just drive.
Just drive.
That is it. Empower your local government authority.
So you didn't think that statement of nobody wants to take them away from you? No. He said, but we need collaboration.
God bless you. Because the actions of the governors is not encouraging the local government authorities to act independently.
So you are in full support of Tinubu getting involved?
100%.
Okay, let's see how Kingsley is looking at it. Hopefully there are Nigerians, a lot of Nigerians looking at it the way Honorable Eli has just talked about
the states, do they belong to Tinubu?
No.
The local government, do they belong to the state government?
No.
The local government, do they belong to Tinubu as well?
No.
They are what tier of government?
3 tiers.
3 tiers. There is state, there is federal, and there is local government. Yeah. They don't belong to no one. Nobody owns the local government. Nobody or the federal government also don't own the state. It's only in a state of emergency, in a state, a particular confined state, maybe for any reason, violence, medical or something, that the federal government declare a state of emergency, and it's only for a short period of time, and it must also take approval from the National Assembly.
Yes.
So why is this saying nobody wants to take the local government? What did he have planned to take the local government from the state? The state on their own as well don't have the power to take the local government. That's the truth. It has already been stated. It is there. There's a judgment to it. They say the local government are autonomous.
So what you are saying that since there is a subsisting judgment,
yes,
all they need to do is to follow the judgment.
To follow the judgment.
Everybody should follow the Supreme Court judgment. So you don't need to persuade somebody.
There's no persuasion there.
Politicize.
What gives the president power is the constitution.
Yes.
He should focus on his constitutional powers.
So from the point you are seeing it, you think the governors need not be persuaded to honor
no, these things are not,
they
are not cosmetic surgeries there. The local government chairman is elected by the people, and the person that can sack him is also the people.
So they don't need to persuade governors.
No! So, not all this stupid nonsense thing Okpebholo is doing in Edo State. I'm serious.
Yeah, because there's a case at hand.
Yes, there's a case at hand of Edo State. They are good. After that November 11, October 11, every other person is supposed to follow what they are supposed to follow. Okpebholo now is sending talks, and you are telling me that he's a humble man? No.
So Honorable Eli, do you think this statement, if it is directed to Okpebholo, it will help to make him...
Sir, it was not only directed to Okpebholo.
I said if, I would just say if. Of course, it wasn't only him.
Yes.
I said if it was directed to Okpebholo, okay, do you think it will make Okpebholo think he doesn't have power to control the local government, or it will make him think he needs his good character, he needs to be nice to allow local government to function? Because he says, we are not, let's quote him very directly. Nobody wants to take them away from you, but we need collaboration. Of course, every level of government will always need some kind of collaboration.
Sir, can I speak
to my friend here? I don't know why he's taking it too personal.
Maybe because he's from Edo State, and there is local government.
And there's a statement he made here. We know everybody is independent. Local government, the state government, and the federal. But remember, the democracy, the country is being run like a family.
That's right.
If the father sees the mother not correcting the child how the child should be corrected, or probably a mother is overcorrecting a particular child, not with love, it is the father's duty to step in. Federal is the head of state.
So, but I want you to get to that question. This statement, does it help Okpebholo know that he has no power over the local government, or he thinks the local government chairman need to be in his good book for them to function?
They don't need to be in his good book. The only thing he needs to do is, if he sees that they are not doing what they are supposed to with the fund they are being given to develop the state, he has no right to even go upon them like that. He should go through the right channel. Yes. The problem in Edo State is he's taking it as if he's the owner of the state. All right? So this statement should even be directed to him and some other governors that would not want to allow the local government elected officials to function in their capacity.
Okay, Kingsley, you
see, when we fight in politics, we don't hold the ethics to which we are appointed most of the time. We want to subvert, we want to just do that, and that's not nice. We can as well say that most of the Supreme Court judgment were pursued and gotten to a conclusive end because of Rivers State.
Yes.
But the Rivers State governor...
There were a lot of statements about that, but
exactly.
we're here to discuss it.
The Rivers State governor took a shortcut on them and conducted local government elections. They even went further and said that allocation to Rivers State should be stopped. These are unconstitutional. This should not be fought on a personal basis. Now, the same APC governor is doing such. Our own honorable former governor, Senator Adam Oshomole, is supporting what Mondo Okpebholo is doing. He's, as a Labour president, will he support that? No, let's not do these things.
No, this is a little bit personal to him because he's from Edo State.
Yes, let's not do these things the way these things are not right. They are not right. Do you understand? If a local government doesn't have an immunity, if he has done badly and he has found out that he has shortchanged his people, EFCC or whatever agency that the governor or the government should mobilize against him, they should be there. But until he's found one thing, he remains, his autonomy stays.
So, but Honorable Eli,
what Asiwaju, His Excellency, said here, he's not wind hunting any state or any governor.
Yeah, of course.
It's an advice from the father. I think he's a father to all of us.
This one is not a father anything.
It's a fatherly advice.
No, it's not
a fatherly advice. It's an abuse of office by some governors.
They all draw their powers from the constitution.
He is not saying
the federal, the state, and the local government draws their powers.
He is not saying that if the state government or the state government do not allow the local government, that they are taking over local government.
Yeah, there's a good statement Asiwaju made that no matter how you look at it, let's do it together and ensure Nigeria is better off for it. The only thing a little bit, off is nobody wants to take them away from it. He doesn't, it's not theirs.
So were they planning to take
that's what I don't know if you are seeing it. Do you think That statement, nobody wants to take.
Were they planning to take the local government away from Fubara? No, this thing should be said the way they are. We are on the national.
It's a statement to make some of them understand, some that are taking it personal. Like the Edo State governor, when he went ahead and said that he has sacked the local government chairman and tried to, it's unconstitutional. These are the kind of issues that the president, I'm sure, is indirectly telling them that he's not fighting to become your local government chairman or to plant his people there. But you have to allow.
Can I ask a question? Has the APC-led government or party, either from the presidency or from the party structure, come to criticize what Okpebholo is doing?
Specifically?
No.
That's what it's specifically.
No party chairman.
Now,
no.
Let me put it this way. Your time is up. In 30 seconds, why is it that Tinubu has not, we don't have any official statement, whether he has done it unofficially, we don't know. Why, although the Attorney General has said something,
yes.
Why is it that Tinubu himself has not, he's addressing all the governors, so you can, if you can address 36, you can address one. The one where the issue is happening now. Why is it that he has not addressed Okpebholo?
You've said it all. Attorney General have addressed Okpebholo.
Okay.
The Inspector General of Police had also advised him. You understand? And I think these two people are appointees of the president. So he must not, he don't need to go to Edo State and go to talk to the government.
All right. Sorry, I'm not getting back to you again. Otherwise, this will spiral into...
The president doesn't have the power to say what he's saying.
It's all right.
The constitution is what we draw our powers from.
Don't worry. Local government autonomy discussion will continue next time. So, viewers, this is still News Insight. We'll get right back to you. The project to get Nigeria to work for everybody still continues. Thank you.